Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called Always and Still Worthy from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Always and still worthy. You've dealt with enough already, and you've squirmed in affliction long enough. Don't let yourself fall prey to life's circumstances and tribulations as though you're not worthy enough. You were always worthy enough. You just let others convince you you're not. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about the good in your life. Today, yesterday, anytime. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. I am grateful for my wife cooking me a beautiful dinner yesterday. I'm also grateful for my wife and her amazing hugs. And I'm grateful for my kitties. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.